The Totem GTAmodificata, a stunning and limited production vehicle that takes the legendary Giulia GTAm to new heights. With only 5 vehicles ever produced, this masterpiece is a testament to the excellence of Totem Automobili. Combining feather-light carbon fiber construction, thrilling performance, and exquisite aesthetics, the GTAmodificata is designed to deliver the ultimate sports driving experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GTAmodificata lies a formidable 3.2-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an astounding 810 horsepower and 730 Newton-meters torque. This powerhouse is designed to provide exhilarating acceleration and top-end performance. Top speed 300 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.6 seconds. The engine is paired with an all-new 6-speed sequential transmission, ensuring that power is delivered 100% to the rear wheels, just like the classic race cars of the past. The staggering plus 200mm wide body kit paired with the GTAmodificata custom-made negative offset 2-piece wheels made by Dimag ensure the maximum grip in every track condition. Also, the superlative Pirelli Trofeo R 235x35x19 on the front axle and 285x35x19 on the rear axle. Chassis. Carbon fiber monocoque merged with donor cars chassis parts plus CNC aluminum front and rear chassis. Front axle. Billet aluminum. Totem double wishbone suspensions plus R53 dampers. Rear axle. Billet aluminum Totem double wishbone suspensions plus R53 dampers. Dimensions and weight. Length 4.240 millimeters. Width 1.780 millimeters. Weight 1.095 kilograms. 2.414 pounds. Body configuration. 2 seats with wide full carbon fiber body. Body panels carbon fiber. Doors. Carbon fiber reinforced with aramid fiber, safety.